Have you ever wondered, can humans really build an entire city on Mars? Will we live there someday, work, and maybe even go on vacation? Well, today we're diving into this exciting question. Can we really build a city on Mars? Welcome, you are watching NIS JKT Discovery, where we explore the future of science and technology. Part 1: Why Mars? So first, the big question, why Mars? Mars is the planet in our solar system that resembles Earth the most. A day on Mars is almost as long as a day on Earth, and frozen water exists at its poles. Another major reason is securing humanity's future. If Earth ever faces a global catastrophe, like an asteroid impact or nuclear war, we'll need a backup plan. And Mars might just be that plan. Part 2: The challenges. But it's not that easy. Mars has a very thin atmosphere. That means no breathable air and almost no atmospheric pressure. Temperatures can drop to -100 degrees Celsius. There's no ozone layer either, which means high levels of radiation. Water, oxygen, and building materials, we'll either have to create them on Mars or transport them from Earth. And the hardest part? Living there would be extremely mentally challenging. Imagine spending hundreds of days in the same place, with the same team, surrounded by a dusty red landscape. Part 3: The possibilities. Now let's talk about the bright side, the possibilities. Today, space travel and technology have improved tremendously. Elon Musk's SpaceX and agencies like NASA are rapidly working toward this goal. Scientists are even exploring terraforming, creating an environment where humans can breathe. Self-sustaining colonies are the key, where farming, water, and energy are all locally sourced. So we don't have to depend on Earth again and again. Part 4: Building a Martian city. So, what would a Martian city actually look like? We'll need to design homes that protect from radiation, stay warm, and are energy efficient. Using 3D printing technology, we might build structures using Martian soil itself. Solar panels will provide electricity, and we'll extract water from ice or underground. There will be greenhouses for growing crops, creating a fully self-reliant society. Real achievements by countries. Humanity's journey to Mars has been going on for decades, and many countries have achieved historic milestones. NASA, USA, has done the most Mars missions. Its Perseverance rover landed successfully in 2021 and is now collecting rock samples. Before that, the Curiosity rover has been working since 2012 and found signs that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. India launched Mangalyaan in 2014, and it was successful on the first attempt. India became the first country in the world to do that. It gave us vital data about Mars' surface, atmosphere, and methane presence. China launched its Tianwen-1 mission in 2021, successfully landing the Zhurong rover on Mars. It became the second country to send an orbiter, lander, and rover in a single mission. UAE, United Arab Emirates, launched the HOPE mission in 2020, now orbiting Mars and studying its climate and atmosphere. All of these milestones have brought us closer to truly understanding Mars and preparing for future human settlements. The future. So, building a city on Mars may not be easy, but it's definitely not impossible. In the coming decades, we might actually witness humans settling on Mars in our lifetime. If you like this video, please subscribe now to NIS JKT Discovery, where we bring you amazing insights on future tech and science every week. Thank you for watching.